had always wanted an intimate wedding with immediate family members and handwritten vows. We weren't really keen on doing a huge wedding. We did not want this to be a financial burden on either of our families, but we still wanted it to be really special. And having this hybrid model, we did not have to invite everyone in person in order for them to witness our marriage. Some of our older relatives, I think, were a little surprised and skeptical of the idea of a Zoom wedding, but it blew their expectations out of the water.
We only had nuclear family there. We really got to make it personal.
We were really able to be more ourselves with 100 or so people watching in person. That would have just added to the stress of coordinating a large event and the stress of performing during a large event. I think it was less of a production, and we were really able to just, focus on each other. And that probably even showed through to the people who were watching on the camera.
Everybody had a front row seat. They were impressed by the production quality.
That was really in thanks to Wedfuly and, having that virtual aspect be so flawless. Having that plan going in and knowing, okay, we're going to be playing this video now, we're going to be showing these cameras at this time. It was a less stressful kind of preparation because I knew they were going to be making the best choices for our guests.
You can kiss the bride.
We wanted it to really mesh the experience of the in-person guests and the virtual guests, making sure that they got cake pops and a little champagne in the mail. We're eating cake in person, they're eating their cake pops virtually. We were able to give our guests a really intimate experience. And we weren't asking them to get on a plane and travel and spend money on a hotel.
We've had nothing but compliments about doing it virtually. People have been raving about it.
People love it.
I guarantee half of the people that I invited wouldn't have been able to come if we'd done something in person.
I'm so glad, we did the research on virtual weddings and ended up selecting and going with Wedfuly. I think my favorite part ended up being our first dance.
And of course, our vows. And getting to walk out with you. It was really nice to be able to see everybody, all of our family and friends react to everything in the gallery view.
Mm-hmm.
We just wouldn't never been able to see if it wasn't, done the way it was. Doing our wedding virtually helped us spend probably a fifth of what we were told or expected to have to spend on it.
Once we landed on that hybrid model, that cut down on the costs for food, for the venue, for table settings. I will definitely be recommending Wedfuly. It really was so much more personal and special.
Saves a lot of time, headache, hassle, then we would do it again.
Yeah.